to go out today and refill the bird feeders. And I noticed that we're low on bird feed, so I'm going to go out to the garage and get another bag of bird feed. Now it's time to head for the bird feeder. You want to go outside and feed the birdies? Huh? I like feeding the birds because I like seeing all the different variety of birds that show up. That's one done. Two done. Now we gotta get Big K to do one.
Of course, giving Dobby her share. You know, I think I'm better at this than Lynn. Big girl, you like that, huh? I knew Lynn wasn't giving you enough for breakfast. Yeah, big dog.
It just makes me happy to see the birds out here chirping. It's always nice to hear the sounds in the morning and in the evening. Well, she loves corn and peanuts. Gonna have good poops tomorrow.